This lizard doesn't bleed red. It bleeds neon green. Weird, right? That's not even the craziest part. But first, like and subscribe to my channel or comment heart if you love this cute cat. Meet the green-blooded skink, found only in New Guinea. Its blood, muscles, and even bones are bright green. It's packed with a chemical called biliverdin, the same stuff that makes bruises green. But this guy's full of it. Most animals would die from this much biliverdin, but not this lizard. Scientists think it might even fight off parasites. Creepy? That's chill animal facts.